Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Supreme Spirit. Chapter 15, Shloka 8. When the Lord obtains a body and when he leaves it, he takes away and goes with them as the wind takes the scents from their seeds, the flowers.
Chapter 15, Shloka 8. Shariram yatavapnoti yachapyutkramatishvarah grihitvaitani samyati vayurgandhani va ashayat.
Chapter 15, Shloka 8. When does the infinite draw these faculties around it is described. In this shloka, the jiva is called the Lord because the individual personality is the Lord of the body. Just as an officer on his transfer packs his belongings and then unpacks at the new place, the subtle body gathers itself from the gross dwelling place and it spreads itself on reaching the new physical structure to use its faculties through the new house of experience. When the infinite deludes itself that it is conditioned by the mind intellect, it becomes the jiva, and the jiva takes to itself various bodies which are most suited for exhausting and fulfilling all its demands. At death, subtle body departs from the gross body, which is left inert without any faculties or mental ability or intellectual capacity. The expressions, the physical, the mental and intellectual, give the body an individual personality. All these constitute the subtle body, and the gross body, bereft of its subtle essence, is called the dead body. As when the wind passes over a flower, it carries along with it the aroma. Similarly, the subtle body, when it moves out, carries along with it the senses, mind, and intellect, not in any gross form, but as a mere fragrance or a bundle of vasanas. These vasanas can exist only in the infinite consciousness, and the light of awareness illumining the vasanas is called the individual personality, jiva. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.